Bonjour, on va la refaire hein. Salut, je m'appelle Thibaut, ça fait 5 ans que je travaille ici.
Salut, moi c'est Franck, ça fait 3 ans que je suis là, content de travailler sur un Land Rover.
Removing the Land Rover decal and going to put a Defender. One more. Try not to scratch the car every time. Trying to come up with ideas.
I'm working in the sun.
.140 litre fuel tank, Bass high flow intercooler.
This is proceeding.
My pencil doesn't work anymore. Alright, we've got a big surprise for Stephanie. Coming to the car. Keep your eyes closed. Ready? 3, 2, 1, open. Stephanie had no idea. We had a white roof before. We made a little surprise and we got a black roof, matte black. Okay, leave him alone. You stop teasing that dog before it eats you.
We're moving it ready for the truck tomorrow.
After 3 months of Bear sitting at Newman 4x4, 3.5 months I should say, waiting on this horrible insurance company, the day has finally come. She's on her way. The Wreckers has brought her in a couple of hours from here. Now we're going to have an interesting job trying to get it on the back of the truck.